Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating both your iPhone and AirPods Pro firmware so features work reliably. Once done, enable Live Translate in Settings Translate and confirm Bluetooth pairing with your AirPods. Make sure the AirPods are selected as the audio output and check the microphone setting. Automatic usually works best. Now open the Translate app and choose the 2 languages you need. This initial setup makes the rest seamless, so don't skip firmware and app updates before proceeding. You next open the Translate app and pick the source and target languages. Choose conversation mode for back and forth speech. Once your AirPods Pro are in your ears, press and hold the conversation button to begin live audio capture. Speak clearly toward the AirPods. The app sends your speech, translates it, and streams the partner's translated audio back to your AirPods. If you need to switch languages mid-session, tap the language tile. This allows fluid, natural exchanges without restarting the app. You finish a session by releasing the conversation button or tapping done, then review any saved phrases. If translations sound off, make sure the mic picks up speech. Switch the AirPods mic to a specific side or move closer to the speaker to improve clarity. If translations stop working entirely, restart Bluetooth, reboot your iPhone, and repair the AirPods. That fixes most connectivity issues. If problems persist, check for pending iOS or firmware updates and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.